Hey guys, so you may want to make use of your wide lens of your phone on Snapchat. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a wide angle on Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's head on straight to opening the Snapchat application right over here. And from here, you can just follow a few simple steps to get the wide angle on Snapchat. So from here, you should see many options from the camera page at the top right part of the screen. These are listed all here. You have flash, music, and all of that. And to use the wide angle, you can just simply click on this option right here, right below the music, or whichever this icon is located. So just click on that. And that is how you can basically turn on the wide angle or ultra wide angle on Snapchat. And this only works on your back camera, so make sure that you switch to back camera by clicking on this icon right here, right above the flash icon. Now, if you don't have that feature, what we can do is to go to the App Store right here, or if you have an Android, just visit your Play Store and let's search for Snapchat. Click on Snapchat. From here, you can just click on update. If it shows for you, that means that your Snapchat is currently outdated, and updating it will help you get the wide angle feature on Snapchat. So that might fix the issue if the feature is missing on your app. And the next thing that you're going to consider is make sure that your phone supports a wide angle. So it should have like the wide angle lens. So you can search Google for that. Or you can also open up your camera page and see if there is a wide angle option built in on your phone. So that is how you can basically get the wide angle on Snapchat. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.